Good morning, my dear 12th students. As in the last video, we have discussed another chapter of BO, and in this class, in this video, we will discuss a new chapter of BO, business organization, named copying. So, what do you mean by copying? What we know about copying? Copying doesn't mean that copying in the exam. So, copying means to make a copy of the letters which will be sent or received by the business office to another department. So first of all, let me tell you what is the meaning of copying. Every letter sent by the business house is copied prior to its dispatch, and its copy is carefully preserved for future reference. When the business office sent any type of letter to any party, any other association, any other organization, or any other department, so at that time, before dispatching the letter, the business office makes a copy of it and saved it for future reference. Preparing copies by a business house of all those letters and documents which are dispatched to the customers and other businessmen is known as copying. This simple step is known as copying. Okay, so letter and document sent to other traders contains precious information. As simple as that. If we are sending any type of letter to someone, it means there will be some information, there will be some queries, there will be some data, and that information should be preserved. So easily accessible, this gives birth to copying. The exact copy of any letter or document is called facsimile. The exact copy of any letter or document is called facsimile, or you can also say it facsimile. Okay, so let me directly tell you the advantages of copying. What are the precious advantages of copying? You get what copying is. So first of all, future reference. As we all know that letters should be preserved, as we all know that data should be preserved. For preserving that, for saving those letters, for saving those documents, we need to copy that letter so that we can use it in our future reference. Inspection of goods. If we have sent an order through a letter, and the letter's copy is preserved by the firm, is saved by the firm. So at the time of receiving the order, we can inspect the goods, that is it according to our order or not. Next, settlement of disputes. If any disputes occur between two parties, suppose Mr. A and Mr. B. Mr. A is saying that I have ordered 1000 piece of shirts. Mr. B is saying that no, you have ordered only 500 pieces. So that simple disputes could be resolved with the help of letters. At that time, we will show our letter, and we will show that this is a copy of our letter, and in it 1000 shirts is being mentioned, or 500 shirts is being mentioned. Efficient running of business. We can run our business easily because we have the proof for each and everything as a copy. Preparation of invoice. Copy help us to prepare invoice. We have ordered someone, or someone has ordered us something, and at that time, if we have the copy, we can easily prepare the invoice. Okay, so let's move forward. So proof in the court. If I have already told you, if any disputes occurs, copy will help it a lot. But if that dispute is not resolved by the parties and the matter comes to the court, at the court we can also show our copies as a proof. ठीक है. Repetition of order. If someone want us to repeat our order, and they just simply give the reference of last letter, that send the goods which we have ordered in the previous month. So at that time, copy helps us a lot, because due to help of copy we can see that what order was. Okay, helpful in policy forming. due to our copying, we can see that which type of trade is being done by us, and due to that we can simply make our policies. फिर basis of follow up action, if we are thinking that any customer is not sending any order, or if we have ordered something and we haven't received till yet, so after seeing the copies we can estimate that who is not responding to us and we can make a follow up to them. After this, last provides other useful information. In the copying we can see names of the customers, their address, their phone number, their email id, their whatsapp number, etc. So we can snatch, we can search further information from that. Okay, thank you everyone for this session. In the next class we will discuss about the merits and methods of copying. Till then, bye bye, take care, keep learning, keep studying. Town Hall Public School is always with you to help you out in your every need. Bye bye.